Hello again and welcome to another Handy Dan video. Today I'm going to be replacing the factory speakers in my smart car with these Infinity Reference 6522EX. They are a two-way, low-profile speaker. They should fit right in the doors. Now I'm not trying to do a professional test, I'm just trying to balance a reference. I'm using this 40 hertz to 20,000 hertz mic. Turn on the car. Okay, we're playing this pink noise track. Raise the volume just a bit. And grab the remote, just in case I need to adjust the volume later. Open up my laptop. I'm going to connect the mic. Now I'm using Spectra Plus RT on slow refresh. Okay, so we click run. And it looks like we need to raise the volume a little bit to show the end frequencies. Okay, we're about mid-scale. We have all the frequencies showing. I'm using Windows snipping tool. I'll catch a spot. It's kind of hard to do with one hand holding the camera. Okay, we saved that. And for the record, the volume is now at 20. Okay, now on to replacing these speakers. Okay, I popped off the grill. It's got a basic paper cone and a little scratchy. Okay, so we cut that one out. It has a plastic frame. Not much to it. Just cut it out with these tin snips. Need to trim off the ears. And the speaker fits perfectly. So in my array of connectors here, I managed to find these and installed them onto the wires. And there's the first speaker installed. And here's how I cut it out. Now, it's actually very easy. Just kind of awkward holding the camera with one hand though. That one out of there. Okay, installed the second speaker, and we're done. Okay, the mic is in the same spot. Turn on the car. The volume's still at 20 with the pink noise track. We click run. You can see there's a bit of an improvement in the mid to high range. So I'll take a second snip. Again, kind of hard with just one hand. And we'll save this one. As Infinity. And here's the OEM snip. And here's the Infinity. And here is an overlay with the Infinity in a lighter shade, showing a plus 5 dB increase through the mid to highs. Plus 6 dB is considered twice as loud. So next, I just need a sub. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe.